There are many different tuning options for getting peak performance out of your Harley. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format. What does the Harley ECM and all those sensors do?
Up until 2007, Harley messed around with fuel injection. Some of their bikes were carbureted, some were fuel injected. It was 2007 and forward where all Harleys are now fuel injected. And they all have closed loop and they all have open loop. And this is typical in the fuel injected world, not just Harley.
Get the right tuner for the job.
There's two main things that tuners do. One is they change the AFR, the air-fuel ratio, how much fuel is mixed with the air. And the other thing they do is they change the timing. Those two things have an effect on how hot or cool your engine runs.
The XIED products are a cost-effective alternative to aftermarket tuners.
The XIED or the Vied, they're dynamic. They will enrich in a tune anywhere from 13.7 to 14.0, and that's the air-fuel ratio. And it's almost guaranteed that if you have a Screaming Eagle tuner, you're not that rich. You're still lean.
The Vied allows for adjustments to get the best tune for your Harley.
People go, well, how do I know where to put it? Well, first of all, the first thing to understand is you're not going to hurt the bike if you run it at 1. You're not going to hurt the bike if you run it at 2. You're not going to hurt the bike if you run it at 3. What you want to do is you want to run it at the best setting for your bike, and you're going to know when you ride it at the best setting.
The XIED products are sufficient for Stage 1 builds. We also offer the Vance & Hines FP4, as well as the Power Vision. Get rid of the EPA tune for less hesitation and smoother, stronger power. Check out all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Y'all ride safe.